Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much magnesium you can take daily. For most healthy adult women, the recommended daily intake is 310 to 320 milligrams, increasing slightly during pregnancy. Adult men typically need 400 to 420 milligrams per day. These amounts are usually met through diet, but supplements can help if your intake is insufficient. It's important to note that the upper limit for supplemental magnesium is 350 milligrams daily to avoid adverse effects. Magnesium supplements come in various forms, each with different absorption rates. For instance, magnesium citrate and glycinate are often better absorbed than magnesium oxide. Your body's ability to absorb magnesium can also be affected by your diet, age, and even certain medications you might be taking. Choosing the right form can be important for effectiveness, so understanding these differences helps you make an informed decision about your supplement. Taking too much magnesium, especially from supplements, can lead to uncomfortable side effects like diarrhea, nausea, and stomach cramps. For individuals with pre-existing conditions, such as kidney disease or certain heart issues, high magnesium levels can be particularly dangerous. It's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health concerns, to ensure it's safe for you. If you're experiencing symptoms like persistent fatigue, muscle weakness, or an irregular heartbeat, it's crucial to speak with your doctor. These could be signs of a magnesium imbalance or another underlying health issue. A healthcare professional can assess your individual needs, recommend appropriate testing, and provide personalized guidance on magnesium intake. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.